Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to create animated charts in Tableau, which means when I click on this play button, you can see sales versus quantity by order date. Let me remove everything and explain you from scratch. So first I will drag sales in column shelf and quantity in column shelf, and then I will drag order date in the row shelf. So I will make this to month. Okay, so click on this axis, then right click on it, click on this edit axis and select this reversed. Now you can able to see this view. And now click on this all and drag these measure names into colors. Now you can able to see the view shows that sales versus quantity by month of order date, and you can able to see sales and quantity in different colors. And I will drag this order date into pages shelf. So this pages shelf let you break a view into series of pages. It creates a set of pages with different view on each page. Okay, and your title will change automatically. It adds page name to the right of your title. Okay, so when you add any field to this pages shelf, a page control is automatically added to the top right of the view. Use this control to navigate through the pages. So there are three ways to navigate through the pages. The first one is jump to the specific page. So select the year that you want to view from the drop down list to display a specific page. So if I select 2020, then you can able to see this 2020 page. Okay, so the second one is manually navigate to the pages. So you can use these forward and backward buttons to navigate through pages one at a time. Okay, so you can also use this page slider to quickly scroll forward and backward in a series of pages. And the third one is automatically navigate through pages. Uses playback controls to watch a slideshow of pages in the view. When I click on this play button, you can see the animated sheets in the view. So you can stop it at any time. You can go backward and you can go forward. You can also use this slow, normal and fast to control the speed of the animation. So let me click on slow and I will click on play button. To increase the speed, you can use this fast, normal. You can also use this fast. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.